Okay, hello to my room tour. These are the things that you see when you enter my room. So if we start from here, we have my chest of drawers where I keep my clothes, obviously. Then I have my set of perfumes, some bracelets, thingamajiggies just there. And my painting, hello. Okay, so here is my appendino. And with my bags, there is my guitar and my workout clothes. So moving on, we have my thing to paint. Then we have my aloe vera. And poor thing, that poor leaf just died. I don't know what happened here. I still don't have a name for you, but whatever. These are my shoes. This is my holding clothes. I don't know, how the heck do you call it? Then my mirrors. I have a bunch of mirrors everywhere, like there, here, hello, and right there. Then my desk, which in this cube right here, I don't know what to put, so someday I'll figure it out. But for now, it will stay like that. There is my stereo with the cassette. And then, that's it. This will be just here for Christmas holidays, so I will take it down afterwards. So this is my new window, and why can words come to my mind today? And my window seal. This is my window seal. My cactus just decided to die because that was fun. So I will be buying some more cactuses when I go to the plant shop. But for now, it will stay like this. Then we have the other cactus, my Dr. Pepper can to water the cactuses. And then we have these beautiful babies and my orchid, how the heck do you call this? Junie, her name is Junie, my beautiful Junie. Then my rock, which I found at the river near my house. Then my clock alarm and my lamp. And then moving on, we have my bed, my beautiful bed. Wait a minute, let's go up. And we have my bed. Look at those pillows. RJ and Tata, and Jimmy, and Ryan. How cute. Then we have my air balloon, hot air balloon, which I love it. Great. Then my chandelier, which I had to put a string on it because otherwise I would poke myself in the head when I go up and down the stairs. And my two friends, which mine, this is my brother's, but I ended up having them all to myself, so I just hanged them up there. Then we have my mini bookshelf. How cute. I put on the lights, so here I put on my lights and on my bed, so I'll show you at night how it is. But But for now, this is it. So these are the drawers. Here we have all my art stuff, and oh, fracks. Oh no, whatever. Okay, and here we have a bunch of other stuff that I don't really remember. So here I still don't know what to put, because I think I'll just cut my desk there, so these cubes will be gone, and so I can fill these up. But I don't know, this is an idea for now. Here we have my Koya BT21 Funko Pop, my pretty cactus, a bunch of earrings and rings. This is my remote control for the lights. This is for the stereo. And my lamp with a tree, which lights up the sky. No, I'm just kidding. Then we have my table to watch films on it when I put my computer on it, and my, oh, you can see me here, and my beautiful, elegant mirror. Then we have my Conan Gray painting, collage, whatever I don't know. And right back there we have Alexa, which I wanted to hide because it's not very cute and wow. And I sincerely did not know where to put it. So then is my poof chair. Is this how it's called? Poof? I don't know. Which I sit on it and I put my table here, and then I watch my films or dramas or whatever. And here is the other window or door, I don't know. And the view is this. And we still have the scaffolds. And this is it. I hope you like it or get inspired. Bye!